Okay, here's the movie. Why don't you narrate it?
Let me see.
Hold on. Yeah, Andrew, why don't you narrate this movie, okay? I'm just looking at things. You can tell us what's going on here.
Okay, so...
Hold on, Luke. I'll show you.
Meat-eater carnivore dinosaurs
Right?
live right here, and all of them are on a team, and they came in and attacked the plant-eater ones.
Right?
So, all of them are trying to attack the plant eaters,
All right.
and some of them, like this one, they're climbing up. That one's climbing up right on him.
Okay.
See that? And then
What's going on here? Looks like there's a major battle going on right there between T-Rex and Triceratops.
this one.
Yeah, that looks pretty amazing.
Yeah, and so both of them, they're fighting. He's trying to bite, and then this guy, he got his claws right on his plate.
Yeah, there's another
He's
one.
trying to knock him over. You see, like this one?
This is incredible.
It climbs up on him. And I just
Ooh, I
had
can
to
get close.
Try to find a good place for them that would stay perfect. See, like I didn't really find a very good place. So like now there's a
So
place.
this, yeah.
He's attacking two little dinosaurs.
So this looks like
An Ankylosaurus.
Velociraptor maybe right here. This little one, right? They
Yeah,
were
that's
bad. They were like
Velociraptor.
so awesome.
And that Velociraptor, these are two Allosauruses.
Oh, Allosaurus. Who's meaner, Tyrannosaurus Rex or Allosaurus?
Allosaurus.
You think so?
Yeah,
Look
both
at
of
this.
those are Allosaurus.
You've been busy today.
And
Look
I
at
got
all
a new
these.
And I got a new transporter that's Saver.
Show me.
I got it's
It's Jazz, and then Luke wants to show me his train. But look at all these cool dinosaurs, Andrew.
Dad has to do a bunch of chores. My plane. Mom bought it for him because he doesn't.
Oh, he's got to do chores. Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, can you tell me all these dinosaurs? What's going on? Who's this one here with the hood?
That one, it's a
Yeah.
plant eater. I don't really know its name, but this one, it's a little T-Rex.
Right.
Climbing right up on
Okay,
his
you're
little
next,
hood
Luke. Actually, you're after
and
Jack.
stuff, and then here's this little carnivore
Right.
biting its leg.
Oh, I didn't even see him. I'm gonna see if I can't get in really close down here. Can I focus that? Let's see. Can I?
And like, here's another little
Yeah.
T-Rex, and both of these two big ones are also T-Rexes, and this one's a little T-Rex attacking another Ankylosaurus.
Oh, look at that.
But if it bites right on these spikes, it will hurt its teeth.
Yeah,
These
so
are meant to protect.
the Ankylosaurus is probably okay.
Same with this, except it could get it on the side.
But these, I think, might be filled with blood, it's almost like a radiator in a car engine. So I bet you those are tasty to other dinosaurs.
What, these
Yeah, these are filled with blood. It cools off the dinosaur, just like a radiator.
There, I just fixed it to that. Now, it's
Oh.
down dead.
That Triceratops is in serious trouble.
You mean, yeah, Triceratops.
Okay, now I want to look at. Nice job, Andrew. Very nice and nice narration. All right, let's see the new Transformer, and then I want to see the new choo-choo train.
It's Jazz.
It's called Jazz.
He's
Can you
on
tell me about him?
the guy's side.
He's a good guy.
He's on good guy. Yeah.
Where is he?
He has a big gun that goes to him.
Hold him up to your face, Jack.
This came
Yeah. Hold on to that. Okay, put that cap back on, please. Spin it. Nice and tight. There you go.
this way.
Okay, beautiful. Nice. What can you tell me about it, Jack?
Jazz, he has a big gun,
Right?
and it goes right on this arm because there's a hole.
Hold him up right to the camera. Let me see him. Okay. Oh, that's cool. What else can you tell me about Jazz? And then Luke is next with his choo-choo train.
He can can turn into a cool car. And also, he has, these are kind of like shields.
Hold on one sec, Jack. Hold that thought. Andrew, would you go put that lens in on the kitchen table for me? Put it face down.
So these are like shields. So
Right. Oh,
block bullets from.
I see.
And also he can shoot guys.
You're next, Luke.
Or have his long big gun for a sword.
Okay.
It's meat eaters against and plant eaters.
Jackson, thank you. That was a great narration. I really like seeing that. All right, it's Luke's turn. Luke, here, come over here. Back further, back toward Mason. Back, can you get in that chair, Luke? Mason, can you put Luke in the chair, in the swing?
Yeah. He doesn't like getting in.
He doesn't. Okay, not too close, Boo. Back up, then you can show me. You stay right there, and then I'll show you the video, okay? Okay, what can you tell me about the choo-choo train, Luke?
Don't you kind of like this?
When did you get it? At Savers. Did Mommy get it? Did you guys go to Savers today? Oh, that's a beautiful train. Do you have a name for it? What do you call it? Savers is the train's name? That's a good name for it. Jack, you're right in the way, bud. Okay, you want to see this? All right, let's look at